Hi everyone! Today we'll show you how to replace the mobile charging connector using the hot air gun of Acta 401 soldering station. To show you how to replace the port, we're going to be using Sony D5503. It's really easy to see what's wrong with the current charging port. The piece of plastic with the charging cable contacts is broken. Let's get started then. First, secure the phone circuit in the board holder. Then, using the Fimo tape, cover all tiny hard-soldered components. Thanks to the Fimo tape, the components won't get overheated or blown away by the hot air gun during the soldering. Apply a thin layer of the solder paste flux onto the holders and contact points of the charging port. For the best results, use pH neutral flux. You won't need to clean or wipe it off. Set the temperature of the hot air gun to the 380 degrees Celsius. You'll also need a medium speed of the airflow. Then, start heating the port's contact points slowly and evenly. From time to time, using the tweezers, try moving the connector to see whether the brazing alloy has melted. And there you go, 30 seconds of heating and our charging port has been dismounted. Now we need to mount the new one. Use the soldering iron and the regular POS 61 or rose brazing alloy to pre-tin the contact points and the holder of the charging port. Why do you need to do it? It is very common to use the lead-free alloy with the high melting point for the circuit board soldering works. Adding the regular lead alloy automatically decreases the melting point. This is very important as the new charging port has a plastic component which can be easily damaged by the high temperature. Okay, let's mount our new connector. To start with, decrease the temperature of the hot air gun to 360 degrees Celsius. Then, heat the area you will be mounting new connector to slowly and evenly. When the brazing alloy starts to melt, attach the connector using the tweezers and make sure it fits perfectly. All done now, you can consider the replacement process to be over, but for the best results, surface mount the contact points with the regular soldering iron. You can also use BJA paste for it. Apply a small amount of BJA paste onto the contacts and heat it evenly by the hot air gun at 360 degrees Celsius. Once you've finished, check to make sure the contact points have been soldered properly. If they have, remove the leftovers of the alloy with tweezers. To finish off, you need to clean the traces of flux. If the flux you've used is pH neutral, you don't have to do it. But even though we've used the pH neutral flux, we're still gonna do it, so everything is nice and neat. To clean the leftovers of the flux, we will be using some alcohol and a soft brush. As you can see, the whole replacement process is not as difficult as it seems. It only took us about 5 minutes to replace the port, so we've done it pretty quickly and neatly. Thanks so much for watching us. We will see you again in our next videos.